Hey crafters, and thank you for tuning in. In this video I'm going to share with you 5 Christmas crafts that has kept us busy over the last month. And yeah, keep watching and let's get into the festive season.
My friends, my snowman and the snow. They're the beautifulest. It's so beautiful. The friends of glory really care. Wasn't that the same? Oh, the carrier to Bethlehem to see the Lord and faith.
If you're into crafting, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I will see you very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, one last thing before you go. I ran a competition on my Instagram. 2 of the winners sent in their artworks. Great work, Arvid and Victor.